Welcome back to TechMan. For today's video, let me show you how you can hide and unhide an app on iPhone. So this feature needs your device to be updated with iOS 18 version, so you need to make sure that your iPhone is updated. Let's start. Go to your home screen and then long press on the app, for example, WhatsApp. Next, tap the require Face ID and the pop-up. Next, tap Hide and Require Face ID. Now simply tap the Hide App button below to complete the action. Now once the app is hidden, let's unhide the app. Go to your app library by swiping left until you see it. Now scroll down until you see the hidden folder at the bottom. Tap on it and then open it using your Face ID. Now once the app is shown, long press on the app or the WhatsApp, then choose the Add to Home Screen option on the pop-up menu. Now select Unhide app to make the app visible again to your home screen. That's how easy you can hide and unhide apps on iOS 18. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.